It's that time of year again, iPhone season. But with great excitement comes a crucial question. How do you protect your shiny new investment? Enter dbrand, offering a suite of solutions that go beyond the ordinary. Their promise? A case that defies the yellowing fate that befalls so many others. Let's dive into what makes dbrand's offerings for the iPhone 17 series stand out. The Ghost Case, a promise of eternal clarity. Imagine a case that stays crystal clear, year after year. That's the bold claim dbrand makes with their Ghost Case. Unlike competitors, they back this up with a guarantee. In it yellows, you get a free replacement. But it's not just about looks. This case boasts exceptional scratch resistance, MagSafe compatibility, and a clever camera control pass-through button, seamlessly integrated into its design. Available for the iPhone Air, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max. The Ghost Case is currently on sale for $49.95, regularly $59.95. Grip Case, the ultimate in security and style. For those who demand both protection and a firm hold, the Grip Case is a game-changer. Touted as the world's grippiest phone case, it aims to eliminate those heart-stopping moments when your phone slips. Featuring a chamfered lip for screen protection, precise camera shielding, and satisfyingly clicky buttons, it's a case that prioritizes both function and feel. And let's not forget MagSafe compatibility. But here's where it gets fun. dbrand offers 45 vinyl skin options, allowing you to personalize your grip case with anything from sleek teardown designs to the glow-in-the-dark, glow-circuit skin. Prices start at $49.90, with premium designs adding a $10 premium. Prism 2.0 Screen Protector. Installation made easy. Protecting your screen is paramount, and dbrand's Prism 2.0 Screen Protector makes it surprisingly stress-free. Dubbed idiot-proof by dbrand, its self-aligning installation tray ensures a bubble-free, dust-free application every time. But the protection doesn't stop there. Rated at level 7 on the Mohs scale of mineral hardness, it's virtually scratch-proof. An oleophobic coating keeps fingerprints at bay, ensuring a pristine display. Priced at $34.95, with 2 protectors included, it's a smart investment. And if you bundle it with a grip or Ghost Case, the price drops to $29.95. Minimalist at heart? dbrand has you covered too. Not everyone wants a bulky case. For those who prefer a more naked iPhone experience, dbrand offers a wide range of skins. With the iPhone 17 Pro's new horizontal camera bar design, there's ample canvas for self-expression. Explore dbrand's skin collection and find the perfect way to make your iPhone truly yours. The choice is yours, whether you prioritize ultimate protection, a secure grip, or a minimalist aesthetic. dbrand has a solution for your iPhone 17. But here's the question. Is a case that never yellows worth the investment? And in the age of MagSafe, is a grippy case a necessity or a luxury? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.